Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how we can create animated video within 10 minutes using AI. So it does not require any editing skills. Recently I have created one animated video. Let me show you how I created that video.
We should give him a magical day. Days passed, and finally it was salary day. Mr. Whisker's paws trembled with excitement as his boss handed him his paycheck. His golden eyes sparkled as he carefully counted every note and coin. This wasn't just money, it was his hard work, his sweat, and his love for his family. Without wasting a moment, he rushed home, gathered his children, and took them to a grand restaurant. The little kittens squealed with joy as they dived into plates of fish, fresh cream, and the fluffiest pancakes they had ever seen. Laughter filled the room as Mr. Whiskers watched his family enjoy the meal. This moment, this joy, was worth every early morning, every long day at work. That night, as his little ones snuggled into bed with happy hearts, Mr. Whiskers stretched out on his cozy chair, feeling a rare sense of peace.
I hope you fully watched that animated video and liked the video as well. Let me tell you how I created that animated video step by step. Initially, you need to go to Google, then search for Meta AI. So click on this Meta AI link. Before starting generating any animated video, just prepare for script. So how I created animated video is, first I prepared one script in my mind. So first go to Meta AI. If you did not sign in, means you need to sign in via Facebook or Instagram account. I already completed the sign up. So let me show you my history, like how I created. So based on the script, you need to provide prompt here. So it will generate animated images for you. According to my script, the starting scene will be huge city filled with lot of traffic. So first you need to type a prompt that huge city filled with traffic. If you click on this, so it will generate AI images for you. You need to select the relevant images. So let's say I'm going to select this one and I'm going to animate this one. Click on the animate button. So it will start animating. Now you can see we have animated video. Now you need to click on this download button. The file will save to local machine. Like that, based on the script, you need to regenerate the animated reels. So you can see, like, I have created lot of animated reels based on my video requirement. See, cat holding salary amount and smiling, this is the reel. And cat working hard in the office, this is the reel. And our cat meeting penguin to eat breakfast, this is the one reel. Then imagine penguins serving hot dogs. There are people waiting in the lane, and American modern style. Like that, if you give the proper prompt, like it will give you the proper animated video. Once this is done, you need a voice. So you need to go to ChatGPT. So you can see I wrote on basic script and I told ChatGPT to enhance this one and correct the grammar and provide interesting script. You can see, like, I provided like this. Hello everyone, let me tell you beautiful story of our hardworking cat. Use traffic in the morning. Our hardworking cat is started going to office by holding briefcase. His wife penguin selling bread and other food on the street of London. One day, both cat and penguin started talking about our son birthday. So they are talking about how to celebrate. So our children should happy. After some days, boss gave salary to hardworking cat. Cat was happy. He started count the notes and coins. He took his children to a restaurant and celebrated son birthday. The children were so happy. The cat also happy. He slept peacefully. So here is the enhanced version of script given by the ChatGPT. So what I did, like I copied entire thing. Now like we need to generate the voice for this one. So what we need to do is, you can go to Google and search with text to natural voice. Then you can go to natural reader website. So now I copy pasted this entire script. Now I am choosing the relevant narrator for this story. So if I play this one,
The Hardworking Cat's Journey.
you can see this guy suited for my script. So I selected this guy. Then I downloaded this audio. Final part will be less editing is required. Now I am using Premiere Pro. I went to Premiere Pro. I imported all the video and audio and background music. And according to the audio, like I started aligning up the reels. You can see everything. Like that you can use any software for editing purpose. Finally, I'm exporting this video. I hope you like the video. If you still not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Let me see you in the next video.